Well, happy Friday, everybody. What a crazy week we all just went through in the stock market. We're going to cover the major indices. Finally, having an up day today, finishing up, not just up and down. So finishing up on the day, we're going to talk about that. Plus, I want to profile three of the greatest companies in their space in this video. So you're going to want to stick around for the whole thing. Hey guys, welcome back to TipRanks. I'm Richard Allen. Thank you so much for joining me for another video. Wow, what a crazy week it was in the stock market. The NASDAQ finally finished up on the week, up 2% overall on the week, still down quite a bit year to date, but it was 4 consecutive weeks in a row that the NASDAQ was down. It was about to be 5 consecutive weeks in a row that the NASDAQ was down, and that would have been the first time that has happened since 2012. So it was a bright spot in the week, in the last tumultuous month and a half that we've had. I know it's been longer than that. It's been absolutely crazy out there in the market, but this week specifically was crazy. It was super tumultuous. So I want to talk about the broader market really quickly, but then I want to touch on 3 of literally the greatest companies in the world in terms of profit driving and leading their space. So we're going to talk about Google, we're going to talk about Amazon, and we're going to talk about Tesla, because those 3 companies are actually down quite a bit year to date, and they have some tremendous upside over the next 12 months. So I want to give you some companies that are great in their space, where you have some fantastic potential opportunity over the next 12 months to make some money. So let's jump over to TipRanks.com. Let's cover the major indices first. The S&P 500 finishing up today 2.43%. The Dow Jones finishing up today 1.65%. And the NASDAQ up over 3% on the day. Like I said, capping off the week at up 2% for the NASDAQ, 3.22% just today. So fantastic week for the NASDAQ. All right, so we covered the major indices. We know what's going on in the broader market. But the first of the 3 companies that I want to cover is Tesla. They just announced earnings the other day, and Thursday was a doozy for Tesla, down 12% on the day. It was a crazy day. Elon Musk was on the phone call and said some things that spooked investors. Now, even though Tesla had a fantastic quarter last year, they were down the next day after reporting, down 11%. So absolutely crazy. But year to date, look at that. They're down 30%. Essentially they were up a little bit today, up 2% on the day, but down essentially 30% year to date. So it may be a buying opportunity for Tesla. A couple things that Elon Musk said on the call. One of the main things was they're pushing the Cybertruck, the Roadster, and the Tesla semi-truck back until at least 2023. Also, Elon Musk said, look, we're not making this $25,000 car anytime soon. That spooked investors as well. So there's people out in the community, there's different analysts and things theorizing that if Elon Musk wasn't on that call, that Tesla would have had a good day the next day. So that's something to consider. But Elon Musk definitely drives this stock. It drives a lot of crypto. I think he asked McDonald's to accept Dogecoin the other day. So, Dogecoin, I'm sure, pumped on that news. So Elon Musk is one of the richest men in the world, based on the market cap of his company, now under $1 trillion. But what do you guys think about Tesla? They had a fantastic quarter. Elon Musk said some stuff, tanked the stock quite a bit, but now they're down almost 30% year to date. The analysts are saying Tesla actually has some upside. If we take a peek at what the analysts have to say, 29.1% upside. That's the best I've ever seen for Tesla. This is a moderate buy now based on 31 ratings. Like I said, with an average upside of 29% over the next 12 months. Do you agree with this? Or do you think it's going to hit $300 like one of these analysts think? I don't know. Let me know how you feel about Tesla. I think it's a great company. One of the reasons Elon Musk doesn't want to focus on the $25,000 car right now is he said, we've got a lot on our plate, frankly, too much on our plate. and our focus should be full self-driving. And there's a lot of people that don't understand the value that full self-driving could give to your vehicle. So let's talk about it down in the comments. Let me know how you feel about it. I would love to hear your opinion. I absolutely love Tesla, and I like Tesla at this price. Last time I purchased quite a bit of Tesla was in the $700 range. So I'm hoping maybe it might get back down there. But I sold all of my Tesla when it hit right when it hit over 1,100 back a little while ago. So I didn't see it lasting super long. And I happen to be right on Tesla. So second company on the list that I want to talk about is Google, or Alphabet. Google is a massive, essentially an advertising company. That's essentially what they do. They're reporting earnings very soon, so we'll talk about that as well next week. But we expect really good earnings for Alphabet coming up soon. Ticker symbol GOOGL, down 8% year to date. So is it time to buy before earnings? Let me know how you feel down in the comments. I would love to hear your opinion, but I think Google is a fantastic company, going to be around for a long time, owns massive other companies like YouTube as well. So crazy company that I think is a potential buying opportunity right now. So Google, if you take a peek at what the analysts have to say, it's a strong buy based on 14 analyst ratings with an average upside of almost 30% over the next 12 months. So do you agree with that, or do you think there's a little more upside or less upside in Google? Let me know how you feel down in the comments. I would love to hear your opinion. All right, third company we're going to talk about is Amazon. Amazon, as you know, probably delivers packages to your house maybe on a weekly basis. If you're my house and your wife likes books, maybe more often than weekly, maybe daily. We get a lot of Amazon packages, especially now that COVID's a thing. We just get Amazon packages all the time. So Amazon is a juggernaut in their space, an absolute juggernaut. They do everything from delivering packages to your house to AWS, which is their Amazon Web Services. They own and run probably around 40% of all the internet out there, and crazy space out there for cloud computing. So Amazon, I believe, is a fantastic opportunity to buy right now. I think they're going to have a really good 2022, but it's off to a rocky start. If you take a peek at the charts here, 15.5% down year to date, 3% up today. But the analysts have big hopes for 2022 for Amazon. This is a strong buy based on 30 analyst ratings with an average upside of almost 44% over the next 12 months. Even on the low end, has some good upside here, $3,600 from this $2,900, essentially where they're at right now. I think Amazon is a fantastic purchase opportunity right now. I really do. They didn't have a fantastic 2021. I think they were only up 4% on the year when the S&P finished up over 27%. So I think this is an opportunity to buy a great company that is going to be around for a long time, that has changed the world and is changing the world. I really do. So, but what do you feel? Let me know down in the comments. I would love to hear your opinion. Guys, you made it through this crazy week. We were here for you. Come back Monday through Friday. I'm here. Tom Nash is on the channel. Julie, Annika as well. Please come back and check out our videos so we can keep you level-headed through this craziness that I'm sure there will be more of it. I appreciate each and every single one of you. As always, if you learned something new or found some value in this video at all, let me know by hitting that like button and that subscribe button down below. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.